Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Today's reading is about today's reading is what is in your love life. What is what is your future for your love life? And there are two piles. Which pile you are attracted most? Please choose that pile. I am going towards my pile number one. For those who choose pile number one with this crystal Matha Bindya, your first card is strength. You need strength in your love life, in your future, to go forward with them, to marry them. You need the strength. You need the strength with love or in love, and you have to change something. You have to do something over here. So you need the strength over here. You need the power. You need the um, energy. Okay. Yes, you need to give them love. Okay, and with this sun card, yes, there's something is going on. You are going to succeed in your love life. They are going to they are coming towards you. They are going to love you, and they are thinking about you. They are coming towards you. I think they with this the person sitting on the bird, and bird have this crown. They are coming towards you with this crown. Yeah, they want to give you this crown, and definitely they are coming towards you. You are going to win in this situation. You are going to be succeed in this situation. I think there is marry in in this situation. You both are going to marry each other, and with this six of wands, you are going to win this situation. Your the peoples are uh, telling you that you have done it. You had succeed in your aim, and yes, you are going to have that person. And with this what is this nine of wands, okay. You're defending your thoughts, you're defending that person, you're defending your love something over here. And yes, over here you are defending something from someone. Maybe there's some. Yes, definitely. The other card, the very next card is the devil card, and you are defending your person, your love, from this devil person, and that person is not good. They want to do something bad to you. They are restricting you. Maybe they are chained you. They stop you to go towards them, and. Maybe they have the mask on their face, and they are telling you the lies about your person. Don't go over there. He is a liar or she is a liar. They have lots of girlfriends or boyfriends, and something like this or something, anything. They are not letting you go towards your person, and so you are defending your love from this person. This is the Capricorn energy, and this is Sun energy. Yes, and with this word card, yes, the word card, something is changing over here, something is going to change over here, and something is I think something is happening according to your will or your wish. And something is changing over here. You want to change something, and you are manifesting this thing, this change, and the word is giving you this change. You're the master of changing the things. I think so. With this large crown on her head, and with this devil card, once again you have two devil card. One is this, and the other is this. Okay, and so definitely there is, or maybe there are two persons in your life, that they are those persons are stopping you towards that person, or maybe this one person is a lot they have a lot of authority, and they are not letting you go towards them. They are changing you themselves, or you are addicted to something. Maybe this is also the reason you are addicted to something, and that's why you are not going towards that person, or maybe you are not able to do it. Okay, and you have to leave this addiction. There is a fire burning behind that scene, and just your heart is on fire, your mind is on fire, you want to cool yourself, you want that person, you want to love that person, and you are stuck over here. And because of that, somebody is losing their love for the other person. Maybe this is that person or you. They are losing the love for that person, their person, because they are continuously telling you that maybe this person is telling you, or this person is with your person, and with your love, and they are telling them that you are not the good person for them. uh, you have done that and this. Okay, and the word card, once again you have two devil cards and two word card, and you are going to manifest some change over here, and you are continuously doing it, you continuously want that person, you continuously love that person, and that's why you are manifesting some change over here, and there's some changes going on in this situation. Okay, with this effort, with this strength, with this energy, the universe are telling you it is safe for you to love. Open your heart to give and receive the highest energy of all. Okay, this person is good for you, your person is good for you, but the other person, don't listen to them, and for your loved one, they also have to don't listen to that devil person, or maybe or else you both are not going to meet each other. But the universe is changing something over here with your effort, with your love, with your wishes, with your desires. They are changing something over here. This person is your soulmate. Yes, this is your soulmate. You both are made for each other. Your both energies are similar, and they are good for you. Okay, once again, what is this? Fairy of the Highlands. Okay, it's time to be brave. It's time to be brave. Yes, you have to be brave, but you are not brave at this time, because that's why you need the strength over here in this situation. When you do something with this strength, with this power, with this will, then you can get that person. This person is coming towards you, but you have to be powerful, but you have to be brave for to have that person in your life, because there is someone who is restricting you both to come towards each other. And the nightingale, they are cute little singer, beautiful, attractive voice, and beautiful voice, and on territory, on boundaries, impressive healer. Yes, I definitely think that their own boundaries, they have their own boundaries. Maybe they are thinking about some restrictions about their life, someone their customs, but I don't think that this is the this is for the majority of you. Majority of you have the other person that is telling you the bad things, or the bad things. Okay, this person is very impressive healer, live in the darkest part of the forest, live in a tragedies, and sing forward to release our bad memories. Yes, definitely this person, I think this person definitely have the devil person, and for some of you, you have it, and the lot of you, your person which you love, that person have the devil. Lonely living, cleverest, not easily found, hidden, give time to family, songs for lovers' dreams, family person, good parents, made safe homes for their individual, can eat everything, protection for their kids. With this, I think that this person himself is the nightingale person. He is a loner, he is protecting his family over here. With this, they are chained them, and that's why they are protecting their own family by chaining them. Yes, For some of you, this could also be the reason that that person is not coming towards you. Yes, and with this school person, this person is very hard worker, and this person so this person is a school person. This person is very hard worker. Maybe this card is for you. You are a very hard worker with this strength card and this sun card. You are very hard worker, and you are protecting something or collecting money for your bad times. Something is going on over here. Okay, with this scroll card, they are organizers, planners, adaptable. Be now serious. You have to be serious now because of this devil person and this devil energy. You have to think seriously and do fast. Whatever you want to do it soon. Get ready for any change. Communication, yes, there are two cards of change. Any change. Okay, communication, respect to others, collector, hard worker, work together, honest about your thoughts, saving, save for rainy days for yourself. It's not good, change mind a lot. Whole life in working, do not easily give up, great in solving puzzles. What others think different, you take it as a piece of cake. Storing ability, request for success, have fun, life is filled with work and commitments. Take a rest, relax, do not get so serious, balance life, learner, confident. It take a while to comfort with someone, but once you take it to higher levels. Manifest manifesto. Let's see, I am already telling you that with this card you are a manifester and you are manifesting something over here, and you are doing here this all energy, this all work. This is you who is doing this all work. That person is a loner, they are a thinker, they think a lot, they think that they are never going to do anything better in their life. I think so that they have that kind of thoughts. They are very restricted, and you are the person who is pushing them, who is dragging them towards. This is very tough energy, very tough reading. I think that this is you who is doing only you is doing the efforts to get towards them, to love them, to marry them, and they are hiding in their shell. They are not coming out of it like this. They are hiding in this shell. Yes, they are afraid of something. Something has happened to them in past, and for because of this they are afraid to come forward, go forward. Yes, something has happened. Okay, I want to see uh, if you are going to marry. Okay, they are not going to with this card, five of pentacles upside down or in reverse position. They are not letting go someone. They are not leaving someone. Maybe this is their family, their mother, their sister, or their past marriage. They are not leaving that person. They have to cut them from their life, then they are going to marry you. They have to cut them. They have to be isolated. They have to be like a mountain, or like a rock towards that person, and they have to defend your your love, the thoughts about you, love about you, and they are not happy with that person. They are really not happy with that person. They are thinking of you, they have the thoughts of you, they love you, they are thinking of you, but they are not moving forward because they have someone else in their life. Maybe it is their parents, their siblings, their someone, their child from the other person, or maybe this is their life partner, and they are in love with you, very very in love with you. Or maybe your parents or their parents are going to tell them to leave that person and come towards you. I think this is you. You love them. Maybe you are the man, Yes, the Wheel of Fortune. That's what I am. That's what I want here. I think they are going to marry you. I want to shuffle it once again. Yes, you are definitely. You need the strength. You both need the strength to leave the past person and to come towards each other. And I think this is going to happen. They have the thoughts about you. They love you. They are thinking about you with this card definitely, and your wishes are going to fulfill. And with this empress card, yes, you are going to, I think, pregnant with this that person's baby, or your this person is if this is she, if this is a lady, and if your person is a lady, then she is going to pregnant with your child, I think so. Yes, this is the situation over here. And now I'm going to see what they want to say to you. Okay, the first card is, I hate there is distance between both of us. Your person is telling you that they hate the distance between both of you. They want to be with you, they want to marry you, they want to live with you, and you are God's gift for me. They are telling you that you are the God's gift for them. They love you, they want you, they need you. This is all because of you. Okay, you are telling them that this distance is all because of you. If you want to finish the distance or disclose that distance, that you have to do something. This is all because of them, but you have to make something, you have to do something. I'm using you. Okay, someone is telling that they are using other person. Maybe they are using you to get them out of that situation, the previous person, the devil person, from the devil person. You are not my soulmate. Who is telling this? Yes, they are telling you that you are not my soulmate, but whereas they are the soulmate, your soulmate, but they are not telling you that you are not my soulmate. I have someone in else. Yes, no, yes, they are telling you this is the conversation that they are telling you in this period when they have that person in their life, but they still love you. But they think of you, and they think that you are the God's gift for them. And I can feel better with you. They are telling you that they are can feel better with you. My heart is blossoming with your name. You are telling them that your heart is blossoming with their name, because all the efforts that is going on is because of you. You are doing this. I think this will happen in a month. Yes, you are telling them that I think that I will do it in the month. This will happen in the month, that or maybe your marriage or your engagement is happening in the month. I will forgive you. That person is telling you that they will forgive you. Maybe you had done something to them in the past. Maybe you had left them, so they are telling you that because of this is because of you. And yes, this might be the situation, that this the card, this is because of you. They are telling you that you for some of them you had left them, and they are telling you that you had left me. That's why I marry someone else, and now I am stuck over here, and this is all because of you. I think this will happen in some or few months. Once again, maybe they are telling you, or you are telling them that this will happen in some month or some month. Learn some manners. They are telling you, learn some manner. Um uh, Choose what you want to. Okay. Oh baby, don't break my heart. This is a song from an Indian film, and they are telling you that you are telling them, you are asking them, don't oh baby, don't break my heart. And with this, take me to the sky. They are telling you, take me to the sky. Do there's you that have to do all this. You are in my dreams. Now you are telling them that they are in your dreams. I want to tell you something. They are telling you that they have to tell you something. It's you who can do it. Yes, they are telling you it's you that who can do it. I already had seen that this thing in the cards, this situation, that you have to do all the effort is you are doing. Do you take care of my parents? Maybe they had the parents, they have the parents situation. I already tell you that maybe they have the parent situation. And with this card they have the parent situation, and they are telling you that I can't leave them, they are not happy with you, but if you are going to take care of them, then I will think about this situation. And I love you by my heart. You are telling them that you love them by your heart. We can make it possible. You are telling them that we can make it possible. If you want to take care of your parents, we can make it possible. I will surely feel or make you happy. You are telling them that you will surely make or feel them happy. And with this card I pray for you. They are praying for you. Please forgive me. You are telling them, please forgive me, let me in your life, let me marry you. I want revenge. Oh no. That person wants revenge with you because you had left them in the past, and now they want to have the revenge with you. I have so many girlfriends and boyfriends. Maybe that person is telling you that they have so many boyfriends, but I think that this is not true. That this is the thing that they are telling you. They don't have anyone in their life. They have only their parents, and they have you in their life. My mother is not agree. Yes, definitely their mother is not agree with this situation. They are, or their father is you can see here that their father is agree with this situation. They are happy with this situation, but their mother is not happy with this situation. They don't want you in their um, in her son or daughter's life. Yes, that's the situation. That's why they are stick over here. They are stuck over here and can't move forward because their mother don't want you in their life. And that's the reading for you, my pile number 1. I hope you like it. Please like, share, subscribe, and if you want to know more about your situation, then please go and watch my previous videos, and you can also see my upcoming videos, new videos. For that you have to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, so you can get all new videos from my channel. And um, uh, for that okay. And with lots of love, with lots of good wishes, bye. I'm going to choose the pile number 2. For those who choose the pile number 2 or this peach colored earring, your reading is your first card is 5 of wands. You're ending some quarrel, some fight, some battle over here. You don't want to fight anymore for something or some situation for your lover. You don't want to fight anymore. You want the peace now. Maybe you are tired of fighting for them. And yes, you are not happy with this situation. You want them in your life. You are thinking about someone, and you are very sad over here. Look at that lady's face. You are thinking about that person, and you are very worried. And your thoughts are changing every now and then with yin yang situation. At some time you are thinking that I'm going towards that person, I will do everything for them, I will fight for them. But then other second or other time, other minute, you are thinking that no, I shall leave that situation over here. They are not for me. They are doing nothing for me, and or to marry me. And you are not happy with this situation. You want them, but you let your guard down with this 5 of wands, because you think that they are doing nothing for you, or that situation is going nowhere. So you are letting down your guards. Okay. And with this high priestess, you are very wise, very thoughtful, very wisdomful, You know what to do, what to not do, when to do, what is the right time to do anything, okay, to do something. And I think you are planning over here with this card. You are planning about that situation. How can you love them, how can you get towards them, marry them. And with this Six of Pentacles, I think you both are putting your efforts in this situation, or maybe uh, at some time you are you want to fight for this situation, and in some time you don't want to do anything. You want to leave this situation, you are tired of it. Maybe uh, this is going on till a lot of time. Yes. And with Emperor, with this card upside down, you are not able to decide something over here. You are not as wise to do something here, over here. Maybe you are so much angry, and whenever a person makes any decision in their anger, in their angry mood, this decision is not good, this decision is not perfect. So don't make any decision about something. Or maybe you are sexually uh, attracted toward that person. This is also the situation. Or maybe one more situation is over here, one more thing, that you maybe you have no money, no resources to go towards them, to marry them. I This is also the situation over here. And I think you are traveling towards them, you are going towards them, you're changing something over here, something is changing over here. You are blocking them. I think that is you are blocking them, or maybe this is vice versa, and they are blocking you. I think some lady, this is not that this is only a lady, this is also can also be a man. But someone is blocking other person, maybe they are blocking you, they are blocking you to come towards them. They are thinking about something else, they are thinking about money matter or something, and they are blocking you. And with this Six of Swords, you are getting out of this bad time, you are getting out of this tension, uh, step by step. And I think you are going to marry them. Yes, definitely. With this Sun card, with this Three of Cups, you are going to have a lot of happy time, party, and enjoying the time with others, and happy time. With this koi fish, I think you are going to have money, and happiness over here. And with this Sun card, you are going to succeed in this situation, you are going to succeed in your love, love relation or situation. And but this is not going to happen very soon. You are not going to engage at this time. Maybe you need some more time to do it, and open your mind, open minded. You have to be open minded. I think that that's why you are leaving the battle over here, because you are the open minded person. You are thinking that when the time is right, then they will come to you, then this will happen. And that's why you are not fighting about it, you are waiting for them. You are not happy with this, but you are waiting for them. Yes, this girl, mermaid, is also waiting for them. And with this eclipse mermaid, a powerful energy shift. Yes, yes, definitely there will be some powerful energy shift with this card. Something is going to happen, and this 10 number is the card of Wheel of Fortune. With this Wheel of Fortune with you, you are going to have something. You are going to marry them. Something is good is happening to you. I want to clarify. I want to get some more cards for you. Okay, you are not happy in this time to be at distance with this person. and you are not happy with this, you are not able to cut them from your life because you love them, and they are going to backstab you because they are telling you that please wait for me, don't go anywhere, I am coming for you, and they are delaying this situation, or they are letting you in the wait situation. But this situation is going towards that your wishes are going to fulfill, and with this page of swords, that want them, you want them with power, with anything. And with this page of sword, yes, you are manifesting them, you are thinking about them, you love them, you want to make the home with them, definitely. Okay, with this ace of cups, you have lot of love for them, and they are, maybe they also. And with the wisdom, you can get them with wisdom. The heartbreaking situation over here, maybe they have someone else in their life and they have to divorce them or cut them out from their life, and there's some kind of disaster because of this. Maybe because of this you are going to leave them, or you are going to know that what are they are doing, what they are doing. And you still want to fulfill your promise, you're still thinking about them, you are a loyal person, you want to take this relationship forward, you're thinking about them, you are attracted towards them, you are going to win this situation. And something is new beginning over here. And that situation is 50-50. With this situation, maybe you are going to have the baby with that person, or you are sowing the seed, bowing the seed in the soul, and that will surely give you some fruit. Yes, something is ending over here, something new is beginning with this wheel of fortune. Yes, definitely. This ending is for the other person, or maybe where they are stuck, and that ending for that situation, and definitely you are going to marry them. Or some of you, for some of you, you are, I think, you are going to see the right path for you. This is the reading for you. I hope you like it. Please like, share, subscribe, and if you want to know more about your situation, please go and watch my previous videos. You can also see my upcoming videos. For that you have to subscribe and press the bell icon, so you can get my all of my new videos, and you surely get some help from there. uh, uh, with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye.